Okay, let's Mahesh ji and Vaidya.
Namaste, Jaykumarji. I have a couple of questions in last week's class. One is in the sloka, we say, Sarpavad Atmanam Jivam Nyatva Bhayam Vahid. See, I thought generally Nyatva means understood. So, isn't that better to use something like Mugdwa or something in this?
So I hope all of you understood Mahesh ji's question. And he is referring to that shloka which says, previous shloka, Jivam Nyatva, Sarpavat Jivam Nyatva, Bhayam Vahet. So Mahesh ji is very sensitive to the use of the word Nyatva, because in Jnanam we always use the word to remove ignorance and move forward in our journey. But here he is using the word Nyatva to say you have become backward because of this Jnanam. Like that he is saying. Jnatva. So, Jnatva is misunderstood, not understood. You have to put miss in front of it. Sometimes you put no miss, misses and all that. Like that, you have to put miss in there.
No, but Nyatva still is understood. Having known.
Correct. Misunderstood is also understood only.
No, but my question is, in the previous sloka 26, he used a word muhyati, right? So, same way, you can use mugdwa or something.
So, the real person you should ask this question is Shankaracharya. Okay.
I know he's not here, so that's why
I'm trying my best to explain that. And so, I think wrong. Sometimes they use the word Jnatva to say.
Because there are two times now, because next time also Jat, Jnadam, it comes. And then some Bhayam. So, it's all along we said, we have to know Atma, not know Atma, we have to understand Atma, and all that we used. And all of a sudden, 180-degree flip on this.
So that's Jnatva, misunderstood. You put a word misjnatva. Misjnatva, you should say. See, Jnatva, this fellow is sure it is a snake, right? Will you tell somebody, hey, it's a snake, means you misunderstood and all? You can't say. You yourself are in the spell of that same thing. There is a snake there, period. Period. I'm samsari. Is there any doubt about this? Jnatva. Aham samsari iti jnatva. It is a universal conclusion, Mahesh ji. That is what he's saying. Universal conclusion. And that conclusion, if you question it publicly, you will get questioned. Correct? That is the Jnatva here.
No, Jnatva and Jnatam, the same sloka I used in opposite meanings.
Correct. No, fair enough. Jnata.
Opposite meanings thing is,
yeah.
Another thing is during the class, you quoted some Taittiriya Upanishad sloka, and you said nirukte means undefined.
Undefinable, yeah, correct. Not categorically definable, correct.
But the niruktam also is one of the Veda Anga, right?
Correct, it is a Veda Anga. So, Mahesh is giving me a good point. There are Chaturvedaha, then there are Shad Vedangaha. Shiksha, Vyakaranam, Kalpam. Shiksha, Vyakaranam, Kalpam, Niruktam. Then what? Chandas and Jyotisham. Chando Jyotisham iti. All right. One of that is Niruktam. Niruktam really means the same thing. The whole text talks about words in the Vedas which don't occur in the dictionary. Difficult to understand. Which don't occur in the normal dictionary, and therefore that is also, you can say, you can't. It is not there in the dictionary. The similar meaning. Niruktam.
I thought in the
The Niruktam text is there, available. I've not seen it, but it's there.
Yeah, so no, I thought because normally when Nirukta is used for trying to explain Atma, for example, because that's how
Atma,
we said,
trying to
no?
explain Atma also.
Also the undefined or
Also.
not defined or something,
Yeah.
right? I mean, I've not heard because we have used undefinable other words elsewhere, but I have never seen this Niruktam till this class. So I was surprised why you said. Then that's the reason I asked.
Yeah. Good.
And another thing is this. So in this translation, like misidentifying, when you say like, so that misidentifying is nyatva,
Correct.
right?
The
O plus S
misidentifying, see, misidentifying comes much later. First Nyatma only comes. Then only
no,
misnyatva.
but the translation it says like misidentifying a rope as a snake.
Oh, okay. Correct. It's better to put misidentify. Correct.
And then we say mistaking Atma. I don't know whether that mistaking is what, I don't know. That word is not there, I think, in the mantra
Okay.
or sloka. And then if one knows I am Atma, that is the second jnadam, right?
Nyataha chet. Correct. Nyatas
Yeah.
chet.
Okay. Thank you.
Good questions, Mahesh. Thank you. Yeah, Vaidyaji, go ahead.
So, Jaikumar, this reminded me, today's class reminded me of a statement that Sri Sri Ravi Shankar ji made when he came to Houston a couple of years ago. He asked the public, do you think body is in the mind or mind is in the body? So, normal response is mind is in the body, right? It's in the brain, etc., etc. People said all kinds. So he said it's not like that. It's body is in the mind. And you just think about it. And then,
Possibly.
now this example makes it very clear. If consciousness is everywhere, the mind is everywhere.
Correct.
Yeah. So Sri Sri Ravi Shankar ji is a disciple of Mahesh Yogi. So
Yeah.
good Sampradaya background he has.
And we also have a Dr. Maheshanand Yogi ji also in our class, by the way.
That's right.
Yeah. Nice.
But
Good.
Sri Ravi Shankar does not accept that now. He totally disowns Mahesh Yogi now, more or less.
Oh, okay.
No, I didn't know that.
Good. Anyway, that's a good point. Body is in the mind or mind is in the body. Good thing to think about.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you,
Yeah.
Jaikumar.
Thank you. Yeah, Ramuji.
Just
Commentary.
you said Atma, Akriyaha, and all these things. That somebody interfered and said experience and all. Prasad, I think. Then this in Taittiriya that 2.6 Brahmananda Valli, Anupravesha Sruti talks about this only. The Swami Paramarthananda explains beautifully that enters, the word enters, he explains how can anybody enter Atma, how can he enter? He says Anupravesha Sruti, it's a very big Sruti. He explains in the Taittiriya Bhashyam, which I am translating. Not a complete, just a thing. Just
तदेवानुप्राविशत् तदनुप्रविश्य सच्च भवत् निरुक्तञ्च. There also another niruktam, by the way. निरुक्तञ्च निलयनञ्च सत्यञ्च नृतञ्च सत्यमभवत्.
2.6.
Yeah. Good. Thank you, Ramuji. Thank you. So we can hear from our Meera ji and Narayan ji about their Char Dham Yatra, and we can learn a little bit today, I think. So, yeah.
We complete the recording?
Yeah, you can stop. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do the Parayanam. ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वन्तरये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्वामयविनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्रीमहाविष्णवे नमः।